It's Patrick at Pals, and Dylan is working on a differential, something that we do a lot on pickup trucks. Differentials are usually neglected. People don't change their fluid in a timely fashion, and the differentials tend to go bad. Dylan, what are you doing to this one?
Well, we're going to mark everything real generously before we take it apart. This one had bad pinion bearings, so we had a lot of metal going around. We're going to replace the ring gear, the carrier, we're going to replace everything. So it'll be basically a brand new rear end when it's done.
And this is a very common repair. We probably do 2 or 3 of these a month. And it's really due to people not doing the maintenance on them. It used to be you could go 100,000 miles without changing your fluid. But then they downsized these. This is about 3/4 of the size they used to be. So it gets a lot more heat in it. And consequently, you need to change them. Some companies or manufacturers recommend every 30,000 miles.
If not, you'll have fluid looks like this is 120,000 miles.
Wow.
Original.
And at a couple of $100 to remove the fluid and replace versus $2,500 to redo the differential, it's a big difference. It's a lot less expensive to maintain it than to break it and then replace it.
Yep.
If you've got a differential and it's giving you problems, or you've got a differential and you want to just service it, bring it to Pals. See you soon.